Dallas police responded to Thurman's call for an active shooter on foot.
Shooting gun in the air, shot employee's vehicle. Suspect last seen on Fain walking back towards 2nd Avenue with a gun in hand, right in the air. That's him right there next to you.
Hey, get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! Alpha 327, one at gunpoint. Hey, get down on the ground! Hey, get down on the ground! Hey, Custer, stay back, stay back. Hey, look, you're not in any trouble. Get down on the ground. Hey, get down on the ground. Get down on the ground. He's on his way. Get down on the ground. Hey, he's on his way. Listen to me. Listen to me. He's on his way. Get down on the ground right now. Hey, get by me. Hey. Hey, he's on his way.
You better call the fucking sergeant. You better call the fucking sergeant. You better call the fucking sergeant. Hey, come here, man. I don't give a fuck.
Keep your hands up.
No.
Keep your fucking hands up.
Bitch, God. Call the fucking sergeant. Oh, call the fucking sergeant. No, you got it. You not gonna call him? You not gonna call the sergeant?
Hey.
Don't fucking point it. So you with
Hey, put the fucking gun down.
Put it down. Put the gun down. You with them? No. You with them?
Hey, Alpha 227, he's got a gun in his hand. Drop the gun! Drop the fucking gun! He just shot at us. Drop the fucking gun now! Drop the fucking gun!
Drop the fucking gun!
Second and Sahin. RB column, let's go. Cover code 3. Hey, get down on the ground! You reach for it one more time, you get shot! Hey!
Fuck you talking about? He over there. He over there. Y'all ass gonna get shot too. The fuck?
Hey! Get down on the ground!
Ask the Cassandra, bitch ass.
Hey, get down on the ground! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Let it be.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Hey! Don't reach for it! Hey, get down on the ground! Reach for it, reach for it! Reach for it! Hey! Alpha 322, shots fired! Shots fired!
No, I'm bleeding.
Officers fired at the suspect, hitting him in the lower body. He was taken to a local hospital where he was last listed in stable condition.